friends, it's Wendy. I'm here with the unboxing of my May order, and I'm going to start with, I've got a couple of boxes, and I'm going to start with my new loyalty rewards order, formerly known as Subscribe to Save. We've changed the name to simplify the process so that anytime you are getting something on loyalty program, you also have the opportunity to earn rewards, and you also have the opportunity to get free product and extra free product on top of the regular monthly promos, because those orders earn different products. So let's get started right away. First thing I'm going to share is my sulfur zyme. This one is the powder, and I had been taking the sulfur zyme capsules for a long time, and I realized one day that the powder could be used right away. The capsules, I needed to have them on an empty stomach for 1 hour before or after meals. So this one now lets me get up and get on with my day and not have to wait. So I just use a half of a teaspoon in my morning shake. Speaking of my morning shake, my chocolate pure protein complete. Love this stuff. And I've told you before, I fill it with all kinds of deliciousness, including raw spinach, and then I use my Ningxia Red. I also use my mineral essence in there, as well as my sulfur zyme and my Ningxia Red. And there's probably something else I'm forgetting, but always I add my flavoring with my essential oils. I like to use my Thieves, lemon, and just a drop of peppermint. The other two I use 3 drops each, and it's just delicious to me. So you ought to try that combination sometime if you haven't. And then I don't know what I was thinking, but I processed an order with more Ningxia Red. So I won't run out for a while. These are the 30 packets. They are a 2-ounce serving, and let's see if I can get that open easily. Last time I broke a nail. I don't have many nails left to break. These are our 2-ounce packets. I love the convenience. We recently went to Washington State to visit with our new granddaughter, and I was able to take enough for our entire trip, and we had this on the plane to support our immune systems. We had it while we were there, and it was so easy to pack in my bag when we were going out for breakfast or any time that I wasn't going to be home to use it. So this is going to fortify, energize, and it's great for every single tissue site in the body. So antioxidant properties help to eliminate the bad guys so that we're not having free radicals and having all those toxins in our body that are just scavenging and taking over healthy cells. So this is a must for us every day, and I use this in my shake. My grandkids come over and they love to have it in their sparkling water. It makes a really nice mocktail, especially when you add an extra drop of lime. Really just kicks it up and freshens it. Now when I got that, I normally get the 4-pack of the Ningxia Red bottles. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to lift this one out, not with all this stuff in my way. But I was very surprised, and pleasantly so, to get the bottles. These are going to be upside down. So these are 2 bottles of our Ningxia Red, and they are 750 ml, and they are the exact same deliciousness that comes in the packet, except these come, I should have gotten it. Okay, you're just going to have to imagine what these bottles look like if you haven't seen one of my videos before. But I love the fact that we use the pulp in our formulation, so that's where all the goodness and all the nutrients are. So these are our Ningxia Reds. And then I haven't even unpacked these at all yet. So let's see. Hopefully it comes out easily. These are always a bit tricky to come out. I got Omega Jize. These are our fish oil capsules, and these help to support our brain health. Fish oils are so good for us, and what I love about this formulation is I don't have any taste of fish when I use this product, and there's so many more benefits to it. If you've not had a chance yet, go to my Facebook page, thewendym, and take a look. I've got all kinds of education on all of the products. And then, let's see. So that's that. Move stuff around here. Let's see what all oils I got this month. You know, I'm so excited to get them, and then I forget what I've got coming. So I took advantage in this order of Young Living's 30% off sale. And that was so wonderful to be able to get some of our favorites like lemongrass. Oh, let's see, that was a freebie. Bloom was a freebie. And vanilla was a freebie, but I did order these all during the sale. So I saved 30% on some of my products that I purchased, and then I got freebies on top of it. So those are 3 of the freebies that I got. This is a 4th. This is our Amethyst roller bottle, and it's more than just the roller bottle because it also comes with, see if I can do this without dropping it all. So there's the Amethyst roller bottle with all the beautiful gemstones, and they just heighten our experience. If nothing else, they just feel beautiful and luxurious when you're putting them on, but they do heighten. You've also got 2 roller fitments for that bottle, and they give you the pipette for getting your oils out so you don't make a mess, and 2 funnels so that you can, if you want to, just drop it into there without using a funnel. And you also get a handy dandy little gadget here for removing your tops or your white orifice from your bottle so you can pour directly in. So that was also a freebie. And then I got here, let's see what's in this one. Oh yes, I was so excited to try this. This is Geranium Bourbon, and it's a newer release from our spring line. I haven't had a chance to see what this one's all about, so let's see. Oh, that's nice. I love a good floral scent, but sometimes they can be a little too heady. This one, whatever the bourbon is that's going in there, it is lovely. So that was a freebie. And the Bloom I'd not had a chance to experience yet. I used the Bloom from our face care line, but I had not used it as the oil yet. It smells just like our skincare, and I love that smell. And I think we all understand what lemongrass smells like, and it just makes me hungry for Thai food. The real deal there. And then last thing in this order is my charcoal bar soap. I use this for my husband, actually. He works construction out in the heat in Florida, and this helps to eliminate body odor, and it just gives his complexion a nice look too. So he uses that as a body wash and face wash. And then I've got one other treat to share with you, and you'll notice this little bag says Seed to Seal, and this is a loyalty gift. So I talked about loyalty rewards briefly, and the loyalty gift is something that you receive once a year after you have, excuse me, there's 4 different tiers. You have 3, 6, 9, and 12 months. Once you have received your 12th month gift from Young Living, and those are 3 different oils, and then the 12th month is this one. After your first year, at the anniversary of your 2nd year of being on loyalty rewards, you are gifted a special blend developed by Gary Young called Loyalty. And this one is one of my favorites. I use this sparingly because it's got to last a year, but I love to put it in my shower gel. It just gives a really nice wake up feel to me. And so that is it for the first order. Sorry to block that out. Let's move over to this one. And this order is what I ordered on my professional account. Professional accounts, they are not accepting any new accounts at this time, but the program was to give resellers of the product a 40% discount off of the products so that then you could turn around and resell for a profit. And I get a lot of the products that way. I share a lot of the products with our employees and with other people in the community. So I had need for a bottle of Thieves Household Cleaner. If you've not tried this, you don't know what you are missing. This, just think of the smell of fresh baked goods in the fall. That's what this blend smells like. Now, this is a concentrated cleaner. The concentrate is going to give you approximately 29 bottles of 16-ounce cleaner. Yeah, this one bottle is going to make 16 ounce. It's going to make 29 16-ounce bottles of cleaner. I use this for every single surface in my home. I use it to spot clean my carpets, to clean my ceiling fans, to clean my tile, my mirrors. Everything is streak free. This stuff is the bomb, and it smells, like I said, absolutely fantastic, and it's nothing but plant-based goodness. Next up, staples that I can't live without. We do our master formula every single month. So there's one box for me, one box for my husband. And these are, I'll just show you again in case you haven't seen before. These are individually packed with 4 capsules. One capsule is a liquid cap, and that is our essential oil blend. And then the others are powdered and 1 pill. 2 powder capsules and 1 pill. So anytime you add essential oils into the mix, it just makes it that much more powerful, potent, and absorbable. So this gets to work really fast in your system, and as a multi-spectrum, it's giving you so much goodness, including probiotics, prebiotics, all the good stuff that you need. So check that out. And again, the convenience of being able to travel with this, was so easy to take it with us. Now I'm trying something new. This was on the 30% off sale. These are Wagyu beef bites, and they are with added bison. They are their cowboy spice blend, and this is one of their snacks from the Sky Rider Ranch. Cannot wait to try this. I'm always looking for a good protein-based snack that doesn't have a lot of carbs, or any carbs if I can find it, and that's not easy to do. So these are only 120 calories a package, and there is, I can't see with that light, there is like less than a gram of carbs. So this was a combo pack, so I also got the Einborn Crunch. And this is a whole little package, 180 calories in this, and there's no trans fat, and there is 22 grams of carbs. But my grandkids are always looking for something to snack on when they come over, so I thought, wouldn't this be fun to give them something that was actually good for them without corn syrup and the added junk we don't need. Let's see. Cortistop. Cortistop helps with cortisol levels. If our cortisol levels are too high, and that's our stress, then it can help to lead to disease and to other complications of our health. And I have been told by some people that that's what helps create a middle muffin, and I'm all about not having that. There's been a lot of stress in my life recently. My father was sick, and I had to be his caregiver along with my sister. We had to divide the duties, and after a 3-month battle with a kidney failure, we lost him in February, and it's been very stressful just taking care of his estate in the months preceding that. And we also lost my mother-in-law, so I thought it would be a good product for me to get on board and start taking on a regular basis. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. Another bottle of Omega Jize, because we definitely go through this each, so I put one on each order. I think I was trying to round it out on this order so that I got all the freebies, and so I added something extra. Another bar of charcoal bar soap, because he goes through this a lot, especially in the summer months. We can't quite keep it in stock, and I want to just show you that when we say charcoal, we do mean charcoal, and I wish you could smell this. This is the best smelling thing on the planet. Love it when we get this in. And then this is what I was missing from my shake, because I've been out of it for about 2 weeks. So golden turmeric. This is our mango rose flavor, and turmeric is good for anti-inflammatory properties. I did something to my shoulder while we were traveling. Maybe it was just all the carrying of the baby. I don't know, but I wanted to get my golden turmeric back in place because I needed that inflammation down. And then, let's see, I also, this is where the sale came in. I got the frankincense, and they seal it in a package for us so that it's able to be shipped to areas where they're concerned about combustion and so forth. There's a whole thing you can read about it. But anyway, that's why it comes in a little packet, because they consider it dangerous goods if it were to explode. I don't think it's going to happen. And then, oh, okay, got to open this one. I don't know how I'm going to get into that easily. There we go. There we go. This, oh, I can already smell it. I think I should have ordered more of this one, I can tell. This is our, I'm going to probably botch it, but it's Amore Essence. And this is from our beauty school. It's an exclusive blend only available to attendees of the beauty school usually. So I'm super excited to get this one and try it out. Oh, that is so delicious. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and we're just going to wear it as perfume tonight. That's how good it is. All right. Thank you once again for joining me for my unboxing of my monthly orders. And I can't wait to see you towards the beginning of July when my June orders process. In the meantime, make sure you visit my Facebook page at thewendym. And then also my website is thewendym.moore. You should be able to find those in my profile here on YouTube. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care. Bye.